Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to create YouTube thumbnail with Paint. MS Paint. You can open from side box Paint and you will get this after opening. You need to resize it to YouTube thumbnail size. Go to picture and type horizontal 130 and uncheck this and type S70 and choose OK. And now you have YouTube thumbnail size. Now after that you need to paste an image. So you have an image, you see that. Now we need to readjust the size of our paint with the image size. As you can see, it has more size, it has more width and more height. We have 1280 and 720 pixels. So you need to adjust with paint height. You can slide and drag it to some above it, so we can adjust the paint height and width. Just below down you will see that we adjusted the size we have 120 by 720 pixels. And now we have that is so we have set our image to 120 by 720 pixels. After that you can type here text. You can type here whatever you like. After the type, you can resize it. Don't close the text box, otherwise you can edit it again. After setting all, then you can close this box, and then after all the done, you can save the image, your file location which you want. You can save as PNG file, JPG file, and I save PNG file picture. Name it whatever you like. In this way you can create YouTube thumbnail for your YouTube channel videos. Subscribe the channel and thanks for watching the video.